Hello and welcome back to our channel of Free Trade Analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with our discussion of gold, GBP and Euro USD from where we left off yesterday. So today it is 26th of June, and without wasting any further time, let us straight go to the charts and discuss further. Okay, so when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, market was trading over here. So let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay, so this was the marked area, and you guys can see that market was trading over here just within our area of short-term support, our major support area. And you guys can see that once market closed below our major area of support, you guys could take a risky sell position, and then again you guys could take a safety sell position from here, and both of these trades would have given us very good profits. Okay, so let me take both of these trades for you guys, and let's see that how much profit or loss did we make. Okay, so our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this trade would have given us a take profit of 1.8%. And then after the safety sell, after this candle closing, we would have taken another short position. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till this area, giving us a 2.5% profit. Okay, so overall both of these trades gave us very good profits. And now let us analyze the market. As you guys can see that we were bullish in this gold pair, but you guys can see that market was continuing its momentum upwards, and this was the lower high. You guys can see over here market was constantly making lower highs over here, over here, over here, and then it was expected that this lower high would be respected, but you guys can clearly see that this lower high has been broken over here convincingly. Now as you guys can see that it was also noticed over here that this could be a false break and market went back, but again when market broke below this area, this means that now this area is now the structure is broken and market is bearish for this gold in the short term scenario at least. Okay, so now we will be looking for some potentially bearish signals, and let us see that how market is going to behave with us and for the 26th of June today. Okay, so the new area of support will now be approximately over here. Yes, so this will become the now the major area of support, and the now the area of resistance that we are going to face is approximately uh, this area. Now market is going to this area is now going to behave as an area of uh, resistance, short-term resistance. Okay, uh, 2324, this area is now going to behave as an area of short-term resistance, and the major area of resistance will now be approximately this zone. Okay, so just be vigilant for this zone. Okay, so now let me write down the new areas of resistance and support for you guys, and let me also move these scenarios afterwards. Okay, so the area of resistance is 2337, and the major area of resistance is 2345, 2345. Okay, so the area of support is 2307, 2307, and the major area of support is 2297, 2297. Okay, so and the minor area of resistance is 2324. Okay, so let me write down minor resistance. 2 3 2 4. Okay, so just look for good entries of selling, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so let me move these scenarios now, so you guys can easily take trades in this gold versus US dollar, and there is no issue in understanding of this pair, and you guys can continue to make some good profits. Okay, so as market right now is approximately over here, so this will be the area. Okay, okay, so that's all for gold versus US dollar today. I hope you guys can clearly see that once market closes above this area of support, you guys can also take a buying position over here. Okay, so now let us move forward to the next pair, which is GBP USD, and let us see that how market is behaving over here. Okay, so when we were discussing GBP USD yesterday, we were bearish in this pair, and you guys can see that if we would have taken some selling positions, then we would be sitting in some good profits. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, market was trending over here, and if we would have taken a selling position from here, then we would have taken some good profit out of it. Okay, let me take this position. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 2.4% profit. Then afterwards, market gave us another opportunity to sell from this short term area of resistance. You guys can see that market tested this area of short term resistance and closed below, so we could take a short position, and this trade would have given us a good profit of approximately 7.3%. And then afterwards, market again tested our area of short-term resistance and gave us another opportunity to sell over here, so we could take a short position from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 9.9% profit. So overall, very good results in this pair. And then market has tested our area of support, and now we could take a buying position from here like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous area, and we are potentially going to look for a take profit of approximately 1.5% at least. Okay, till here. So let us see that how markets behave, and we will be looking for some good trades in this pair. And for today, 26th of June, the areas of support and resistance are going to remain same, because everything is in front of you guys. Market has moved just perfectly within our given ranges, and our trades have executed just as we had already informed you guys yesterday. Okay, and we made some very huge profit in this GBP USD pair, and I hope that you guys will be also making some good profits in this GBP USD pair. And if you guys do not understand anything, you guys can let us know in the comment section, and we will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys. Now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair, and let's see that how this market has behaved. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, market was trending over here, market tested our area of support, closed above, so we could have taken a long position, and this was the only trade that was executed as per yesterday's discussion. Our stop loss was just below our area of of previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 4.0% profit. And after that, market again tested our area of support, but it did not close above our area of support, and now market is trending within our major area of support. So market is if market closes above our area of support, we are going to now look for some good buying opportunities as well. Okay, so overall, we were bearish in this pair, and you guys can see that market is still trending within our marked zone of support and resistance. So no major change in this Euro USD pair. Market has perfectly respected our given areas of support and resistance, and we have taken trades accordingly and made a good profit right in front of you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see that market is currently trending over here, so I have moved forward the scenarios for you guys, and that would be all for today. I hope that you guys will be making some good profits today as well, and that's all. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.